Master bare floor cleaning with the stylish Electrolux Ergo Rapido Lithium Ion Plus vacuum, featuring a lithium turbo power battery. Ergo Rapido Lithium Ion Plus is the 2-in-1 cordless stick and hand vacuum that offers the cleaning maneuverability of a lightweight stick vacuum with the convenience and ease of a handheld. Thanks to the advanced technology of a 10.8-volt lithium battery, the vacuum is ready to clean when you are. It recharges in 4 hours, 4 times faster than a nickel metal battery, and maintains superior suction power and fade-free performance throughout vacuuming. An extended runtime of up to 21 minutes provides longer cleaning with fewer interruptions. Electrolux skillfully engineered this vacuum to easily clean both bare floors and low-pile carpets in less time. Ergo Rapido's cordless design and 180-degree easy steer swivel head swiftly twists and turns around furniture in your home. And the detachable handheld vacuum cleans upholstery and countertops in one smooth motion. A crevice tool and dusting brush are stored in the vacuum's handle for easy access, so you can clean crevices, stairs, or above floor surfaces at a moment's notice. Enjoy the cordless freedom, greater suction power, and longer runtime of Electrolux Ergo Rapido Lithium Ion Plus.
I just leave the vacuum out so I can keep up with them. My cleaning day? It should be every day. What? I'm saving it for later.
With its long-lasting lithium-ion battery, the Hoover Lynx cordless stick vac helps you keep up with the messes as they happen, wherever they happen. And it's the only cordless stick vac with patented wind tunnel technology. The Lynx cordless stick vac from Hoover.
Dyson V6 vacuums are powered by the Dyson Digital Motor V6. The small, light motor sits at the heart of the machine. It has been developed specifically by Dyson to deliver powerful suction. The machine's core components are located around the hand. Combined with a lightweight aluminium wand, it's lightweight and balanced for floor-to-ceiling cleaning. Dyson V6 Absolute has a direct drive cleaner head. It has 150% more brush bar power than the Dyson V6 vacuum to drive bristles deep into carpet, removing more dirt. The hard floor cleaner head removes fine dust and debris from hard floors. A post-motor filter captures particles as small as 0.3 microns, ensuring the air expelled is cleaner than the air you breathe. Two-tier radial cyclones generate high centrifugal forces, flinging particles of dust and dirt out of the air and into the bin. Dyson V6 vacuums quickly and easily convert to a handheld. with Dyson engineered tools for all-round cleaning. The docking station stores and charges the machine, so it's always ready for use.